The global welding equipment market is projected to grow significantly, from $21.93 billion in 2024 to $36.41 billion by 2034. Welding is essential for joining metals and thermoplastics, playing a crucial role in manufacturing a wide range of industrial goods. The rising demand for innovative welding equipment is driven by advancements in materials and technology across various industries. Welding equipment includes machinery, electrodes, filler metals, helmets, and protective gear, all vital for safety and effectiveness. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are revolutionizing welding training, allowing welders to practice in safe environments. The construction industry's expansion is fueling the demand for welding equipment, essential for projects like steel structures and metal components. The market is segmented into regions, with East Asia leading due to significant manufacturing growth, particularly in China and Germany. Key sectors utilizing welding equipment include construction, automotive, and marine industries, driving substantial market growth. The welding equipment market is evolving rapidly, presenting ample opportunities for innovation and investment in the coming years.